In this video, we're going to be looking at problem solving with shapes. So in this question, we're told a rectangular garden measures 30 meters by 50 meters. A bag of lawn seed costs €30 and covers 90 meters squared. How many bags of lawn seed are needed and how much will they cost? Okay, so first thing I'm going to do here, I'm just going to draw a sketch of the lawn. So we have 50 meters and 30 meters. Okay, so let's find out the area of the rectangle. So 30 times 50, so that would be 1,500 meters squared. Now we're told a bag of lawn seed covers 90 meters squared. So let's see how many bags of lawn seed are needed. So we're going to do 1,500 divided by 90, and that is 16.66. Now, you're not going to be able to get 0.66 of a bag, so that means 17 bags are needed. Now we're also told that a bag costs €30, and if 17 bags are needed, so we'll have 17 bags times €30 then, and that is going to be €510 in total. Okay, so another question. We're told a room measures 7 meters by 4.5 meters. The room is going to be tiled and each square tile has a side of length 50 centimeters. How many tiles are needed to cover the room? Okay, so we have a room of 7 meters, 4.5 meters, and then we're going to have tiles then covering this. Now the tiles then, so I'm just going to enlarge it there. We're told a length 50 centimeters, and be careful because we're told that the room is in meters, and when you're answering these questions it's very important that you use the same unit. So that 50 centimeters, so there's 100 centimeters in a meter, so I'll do 50 divided by 100 to change it to meters, so that'd be 0.5 of a meter. So that means the tiles have a side length of 0.5. Okay, so let's see how many tiles are needed to cover the room. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get the total area of the room, so we'll do 4.5 times 7, and that is equal to 31.5 meters squared. And I'm just going to say that that is the room. Then for the tiles, so 0.5 times 0.5, and that is equal to 0.25 meters squared. So now to find how many tiles are needed for the room, I'll divide the total area by the area of one tile. So that would be 31.5 divided by 0.25, and that is equal to 126. So 126 tiles are needed, part one. The next part then, we're told the tiles are sold in boxes of 10 and cost €8 a box. Calculate the cost of the tiles. Okay, so boxes of 10, so I'm going to do 126 divided by 10, so that would be 12.6. Now again, you cannot get 0.6 of a box, so that means that 13 boxes are needed. And it costs €8 a box, and we have 13 boxes, so then the total cost of the tiles will be 13 times 8, and that is equal to €104. In this question we're told a garden area 50 meters long and 30 meters wide consists of a rectangular piece of grass surrounded by a rectangular path with width 2 meters. The path consists of square paving slabs with sides of length 2 meters, and each slab costs €15. So there's a lot of information here. So the first thing that we're going to have to do is mark in what we have into our diagram. So we have 50 meters for the length, 30 meters for the width, and then we're told as well that the width of the path is 2 meters. So we have 2 meters here, 2 meters here, 2 meters here, and 2 meters here. So that's the first bit of information covered. Now we need to find the area of the grass section. So I need the dimensions of the grass section now. If the total length of the whole garden is 50 meters, and then the path is 2 meters and 2 meters either side, so take the dimensions of the path away from 50. So 50 minus 2 and 2 will leave me with 46 meters either side. I need to do the same with the 30, so subtract 2 and 2 because that's the dimensions of the path. So that will leave me with 26 meters as my dimensions for the width of the garden. Okay, so then part A is pretty easy now. So we just have to do 46 times 26. And that is equal to 1,196 meters squared. Okay, for part B then we need to find the area of the path. So to do that, I'm going to get the total area of the garden and then subtract the area of the grass away from it. So I'll do 30 by 50 will be 1,500 meters squared. And then I'm going to subtract the grass area away. So 1,500 minus 1,196. And that is going to be 304 meters squared for the area of the path. Now, the last part then, we need to find the total cost of the paving slabs. And we're told that the paving slabs have length 2 meters and each slab costs €15. So we have 2 meters and 2 meters because if it has a length of 2, that means all the sides of a square are the same length. So that means my area will be 2 times 2, so it's 4 meters squared. And we already worked out that the area of the path is 304 meters squared. So 304 divided by 4 is 76. So 76 slabs are needed. And if each slab costs €15, we'll do 76 times 15. And that is going to be €1,140. And that's it.